Right. Hi Elms, this week you're going to be focusing on your own newspaper reports. So it's going to still be about the Three Little Pigs, so that you've got all your notes from last week to help you. For today, we're going to focus on the first part of a newspaper report. So what I would like you to do is there's a template on the Purple Mash to-dos if you want to use that to fill in, or if you want to write it in your own books as a plan, then you can do it that way. But if we have a look at the Highway Rat again, your first job is to think of a title of your newspaper. So what do you want your newspaper to be called? So this one is called the Tales Times. Then your second job is to think about the headline. What is your headline going to be called for your newspaper report? So bearing in mind it's about the Three Little Pigs and about the wolf and what the wolf does to the pigs' houses. Think about a caption for a headline that's going to really stand out and make someone want to read it. Then the last little bit is the first small paragraph. So thinking about the main events, what is it that happens? How could you make it capture someone to want to read on? Thinking about those ones we looked at in class where some of them had a question as well to say about how you would feel if it was happening to you. So here for this Highway Rat it says, a terrible thieving rat has taken food from another animal. So, and then obviously it goes on to tell us the information. But this small piece of information here makes the reader want to find out what has happened for that story. Okay? So those are the three things you need to do for today. So the paper, what it's called, the headline for your report, and the first small paragraph of the events. So what's happening? What could you write that will make it sound interesting for the reader to want to carry on reading? And it's going to be about the Three Little Pigs still. So you could look back in your notes what you've got already to help you. And then tomorrow, so Tuesday's work, you're going to just follow on. So Tuesday is when you're going to do the main part of all the information and the ending as well. But just today, name of the newspaper, what's your title going to be, your headline, and your first small paragraph. So it could be about the Three Little Pigs, how terrified they are, or it could be about the wolf and how horrible he is, how the big bad wolf is getting the pigs. So think about some adjectives that you could add in and make sure your punctuation's correct. And then we'll think about tomorrow's lesson on Tuesday. Right, good luck.